Okay, so what do you mean by exponent? Any number. Okay, say I will have a number, say 20. This 20 number can be written in the form of exponent. How? I can write this 20 as 2 into 2 into 5. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. This 2, how many times I have written? I have written 2 times. So I am going to write 2 square. And this 5, how many times I have written? Only one time. So I will going to write 5 to the power of 1. So in this case, what is called exponent? This 2 is called exponent. Here, this 1 is called exponent. Then you will going to ask me, sir, what is then here 2 is called and this 5 is called? They are called base. Okay, they are called base. And in this particular chapter, exponent, we should always try to make base as prime number. Okay, always try to make base as prime number. Okay, it doesn't mean that you cannot work with composite number. You can work with composite number also. Let me explain you that. Okay, say you have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 2 I have written? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times I have written. So this will be 2 to the power of 6. And what is the value of this? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. This is 8 and this is also 8. So 8 8 is 64. Okay, now here base is your prime number, 2 is prime number. Okay, and 6 is your exponent. Similarly, if we can combine this 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So I can write 4 into 4 into 4. This I can write as 4 to the power of 3. This again comes to 84. Similarly, in next scenario, I can combine this 2 to 3 times, triplets, this 2 to 3 times. Okay, so this I can write 8, 8 into 8, which is nothing but 8 square. This is also coming to 64. But what is the best way to write in exponent form? This is the best way to write in exponent form. Why? Because your base is prime number. Okay, fine. Next. Fine. So now I will going to explain you different laws of exponent. Fine. So I will say 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times. Okay, this I can write as 2 square like this, into this I can write as 2 to the power of 1 2 3 4 5 like this. So ultimately what I am getting? I am getting 2 to the power of 2 plus 5, which is nothing but 2 to the power of 7. Answer will be same. Okay, so here when you say 2 square is 4, I can write here 4, and 2 to the power of 5 will be what? 1632. You can write here 32. So finally 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 2 to the power of 7 will be what? It will be 2 to the power of 7. 1 minute, just a minute. Okay. Okay, so 2 to the power of 7, this will be 128. Okay, and see, when you multiply these two number, 4 into 32, then also you are getting 128. So what does that mean? That mean I can write any means I can write if my base is same. Say my base is A and the power is 2, so say my power is m, and if I'm multiplying with a another exponential number whose base is same and say power is n, I can write a to the power of m plus n. So this is one exponent law. Okay, this is the most important exponent law. Similarly, if you have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6, divide by say 2 into 2. So this I can write as 2 to the power of 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, and this I can write at 2 square. Okay, now here you can see one thing, that this 2 and 2 I can cancel. Then what I'm getting? 1 2 3 4. I can write 2 to the power of 4. How this 2 to the power of 4 came? It came by subtracting 6 and 2 from 6. It means 6 minus 2. Okay, so here it will be 16. Here also it is 16. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So here I am getting 16. And here 2 to the power of 4, this is also I am getting 16. So I am concluding another exponential law. What is that? That is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. That is nothing but a to the power of m minus n. Okay, this is the second exponential law. Okay, most important exponential law. Okay, fine. Now third, we have exponential law as, say you have a number 2 into 2 into 2, then say 3 into 3 into okay, let it be this, the whole square. Okay, or else not, no, or else don't take this example. I will give you another example. Say you have an example. Okay, 1 minute. Fine, so I will take another example. Say 2 into 3, the whole square. This I can write as nothing but 6 square. This I can write as 6 into 6, which is 36. The same thing I can also write like this: 2 square into 3 square. Now 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So 9 4s are 36, right? They are same. So I can conclude one thing. What? A into B whole to the power of n is nothing but a to the power of n into b to the power of n. So this is the another most important exponential law. Okay. Now, the similar to this, we have one more law, and that says that a by b whole to the power of n. It means it is a divided by b whole to the power of n. This I can write a to the power of n upon b to the power of n. Okay, this is what is the another exponential law. Now we have one more exponential law, that is anything. Okay, anything, whatever you can think of, anything whole to the power of 0, this will always be 1. Okay, this will always be 1. Now we have one more exponential law, a by b whole to the power of, say, minus m. This is equal to b by a whole to the power of m. What I did, I reciprocal the a by b to b by a and then remove this minus sign. This is also possible. This is another exponential law. Okay, now one more exponential law which is most important. What's that? Mth root of x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of n, and then divided by this m will come here, divided by this m will come here. This is again most important. Okay, exponential law. Understood this much? Fine. So in between we have many exponential law apart from the one which I explained. Okay, which are those? Those are, say, a to the power of m whole to the power of n. This can be written as a to the power of m into n. Let's consider one example. Let's try to understand this with one example. Say the value of a is 2 and the value of m is say 3, and the value of n is say 2. Okay, so I can write this as 2, 3 into 2. Now my left hand side is what? My left hand side is 2 cube the whole square. What's that? 2 cube? 2 cube is 8 square. 8 square is 64. Now what is my right hand side? My right hand side is 2 to the power of 3 by 2, which is nothing but 2 to the power of 6. So I can write this as 6 times. Okay, when I write this 6 times 3, 3 and 3, 6. When I multiply, I will get 64 only. So what does that mean? that means my left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, similarly we have many version of the same exponential law which I have explained you earlier. What is that? A by b whole to the power of minus m. This you can write as b by a whole to the power of m. Another version of this exponential law will be what? 1 by b whole to the power of minus say 2. This will become what? This will become b by 1 whole to the power of only 2, which is nothing but b square. This is one and the same. Now let's understand with example this. Okay, mth root of x to the power of n. Okay, what is this? It is mth root of x to the power of n. It is x to the power of n by m. For that we have to understand the we need to understand what do you mean by square root. So you know 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If I want to find the square root of this, what will be the answer? I will going to pair this, I will going to pair this, and I will get only 2 into 2, which is nothing but 4. 4 will be the answer here. Okay. Now, if I am not writing anything over here, what does that mean? That means inside this, which is called radical, this is 2. We don't write it here 2. Now, instead of this 2, if I have 3, so what does that mean? That means cube root. So if I want to find the cube root of 8, what will be the answer? Answer will be 2 only. Why? Because of this 3, I will going to triplet. I will going to group this in a triplets, and then I will get the answer as 2. Okay, so if I'm finding triplets of 2 into 2 into 2, then into 3 into 3 into 3, what will be the answer? This is triplets. 3 times 2, 3 times 3. So I will going to give answer as 6. This is what is the meaning of finding the cube roots or finding the square roots. Now let's understand this thing. Here I will going to consider value of m as 3. I will going to consider value of n as say 6, and I will going to consider value of x as say 5. Now let's see what will be the answer. Let's start from left hand side. So my left hand side is mth root of x to the power of n. What is my m? M is 3. And what is x? X is my 5. Okay, 5. And what is n? N is 6. So what I'll do? I will going to write this 5 6 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Because of this cube root, what I will going to group? I will going to group triplets like this, and here also like this. So what answer I will get? 5 into 5, which is 25. Now this is through left hand side I have shown. Now let's start with what is a right hand side. So I am starting that right hand side here with another color. So my right hand side will be what? It is x to the power of n by m. What is the value of x? X is 5. What is the value of n? N is 6. What is the value of m? M is 3. So when I solve this, I will get 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, which is nothing but 5 square, and that is nothing but 25. So I can see here that my left hand side is equal to right hand side, right? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, clear this? Fine. So this negative exponent means what? Negative exponent means if I have any number, say I have a number, say 5, and whose power is not positive exponent, is negative exponent. Means what? Means say I'm writing -2. So this is called negative exponent whose base is 5 and exponent is -2. So how can I write this? I can write this as 1 by 5 whole to the power of 2, or I can write 1 by 5 square, or I can write 1 by 25. That's what is negative exponent is. For example, I will give you one more example. Say I have 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 whole to the power of minus 3. So this is again an example of negative exponent. So how can I convert this negative, or what will be the answer for this? So I can use the exponential law. I will go into reciprocal this 2 by 3 to 3 by 2, and this negative sign I will going to remove. So this will be 3 into 3 into 3, and this will be 2 into 2 into 2. So this will be 27 and this will be 8. Got it? That's what is negative exponent is. Okay. So if I have minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, then I can say into minus 2. So I can write this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am writing minus 2 to the power of 5. This I can even write as minus 1 into 2 whole to the power of 5. This I can even write as minus 1 to the power of 5 into 2 to the power of 5. Now minus 1 to the power of 5 means what? It will be minus 1 only. And 2 to the power of 5 means what? It will be 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. This will be 32. So minus 1 into 32, I will get answer minus 32. So this will be my answer. So what does that mean? That means if I am getting anything minus to the power of, say, odd number, in that case, I will get minus answer. But if I am getting minus 1 to the power of even number, okay, even number, then I will get plus 1 as answer. Let's understand this type of question as well. Example of even exponent. So here if I'm writing minus 2 whole to the power of, say, 4. So what I'll do, I will do minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So minus into minus, this will become plus. Minus into minus, this will again become plus. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So plus 16 will be the answer in this case. Understood? Okay, so let me explain you the seventh one. So in seventh one, 256 upon 361. I have to bring in exponential form. Means what? Something to the power of something. Okay, this form I have to bring. So here something could be a by b. So what I'll do, I have to take the factors of 256. So 256 divided by 2, if I do, I will get 1, 2 and 8. Again divided by 2, it will be 64. I know 8 is 64, right? So I'm not doing it. So this I can write 256, I can write as 2 into 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 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly, here 361. I need to find the factors of 361 also. 1 minute. 361. Okay, 361 is a not divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it's not divisible by all this. So let's try but 11. 11 also not divisible. 12 no. 13 not possible. 14 no. 15 no. 16 no, not possible. 17 no. 17 not possible. 18, let's try 19. 19 1 ja 19, and then 19 19 ja. Okay, so here it will be 361. I can write as 19 into 19. So ultimately answer will be 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 to the power of 8 divided by 19 to the whole square. This is the answer. So final answer is this. Understood? So I have converted this particular number as in exponent form. So this is the exponent form number. Got it?